I'm trying to work. You're such a nerd. Maybe if you paid attention, you'd pass the test. Eating candy is way more fun.
Huh? What's going on? Candy in my class?
What's that? A worm. Ah! What now?
Gotcha! Aw, come on.
Do, re, mi, la, 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 la. Ooh! Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, right. Of course.
I don't need a lot of makeup. I'm a natural beauty.
I can see that.
How about some lipstick?
Wait.
I've got a call. Really?
Hello?
You're kidding. He did what?
I'm on my way. It's showtime. We need to go.
Oh, right. Sure. Wait, I can't go out looking like this. What am I gonna do? Hey! Makeup lady! Come back! This is a disaster. Here goes. How hard can it be? So far so good. Who am I kidding? I look like a clown. Okay, let's try this a different way. I hope this works. Those yoga classes are really paying off.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting her now.
It's not what it looks like.
What the? We might be a little longer.
I'm trying to do my makeup.
Whoa! Not so fast. There must be something we can do. Great. There's loose thread on my jacket. Hang on. Maybe we can use this. It's worth a try.
What are you doing?
I'll rub the thread across the lipstick. I want to coat the thread in it. Now I'll create an outline around your lips. Let's do the bottom lip. Then we'll fill in your lips. There. All done.
Wow, it looks amazing! I look like my poster. Perfect.
What do you mean the show started? Mindy's with me! Come on! Move, move, move!
Oh, let's do this! What a day! Ooh, that looks like a good place to sit. Wow, this is beautiful! I love being amongst nature. Aw, cute little squirrel! Hey, little guy! Oh, I could paint you! Don't move! Oops, that was close. Sorry, I'll just be a minute. Maybe I can lean on the bench. Hold on. Nope, this isn't working. Can't get comfortable. Why is this so hard? Ugh! This is so frustrating! Oh! This pizza's so yummy. Can I help you? Hi. Can I have that box? I'll pay you.
Sure. But not the pizza. Cool. I can buy more pizza. This is my lucky day.
This is just what I need. I'll use this to prop the lid up. Then I'll put my paper against it. It's like an artist's easel. Now I can paint you. Aww. Oh, I can paint the pizza lady. This is looking so good. But portraits are so challenging. Pizza really is the perfect food. Hey, you were a great model. What did you say? Are you painting me? Maybe I can have a look. I'll stay nice and quiet. No way! I don't believe it! It's a masterpiece! Wow! You gave me a fright! It's you! I hope you like it. I love it! Do you think I could buy it? Of course! Thanks. You're a real artist. That's so kind. Oh my gosh! Whoa! Look at those! Huh? Oh, hi, Mindy. Your shoes are so cute! You need to tell me where you got them. Let me help you. Whoa! I almost forgot. What do you think of my shoes? Whoa! Wow! They're so pretty! I'm so jealous! You're so kind. They really compliment my top. Hey girls! This shade is so gorgeous. What's wrong? Are those your shoes? So tragic. They're so embarrassing. As if I'd wear them. I know, right? I like them. They go well with all my clothes. Whatever. What was that? I think I stepped on something. Oh, it was a pencil. I can't use this. Or can I? I'll show them. I need some pencils. They can help me upgrade my shoes. I'll apply glue to the pencils. I'll run it down one side. Then I'll stick it to the heel of my shoe. I'll do the same with the rest of the pencils. I want to cover the whole of the heel. I'll use bigger pencils as I go around the heel. That's the last one! Wow, it's so colorful! Let's add some color to the shoe. I can't forget about the other shoe. Who needs to go shoe shopping? I can't wait to wear them! Here goes! I'm going shopping later. You should come. Oh my gosh! Look at those shoes! What do you think, girls? Looking good, huh? Close your mouths. You'll catch flies. Wow! Ah, that's so refreshing. Okay, let's check my measurements. Hey, Jennifer! I'm so hungry. Do you mind if I put the TV on? What are you doing? You know I'm on a diet. It smells so good. Wait! Go away! Fine. Ooh, look at that. That is one large teddy bear. I have an idea. I'll make a cut in the bear, then stuff it with my snacks. This'll keep them hidden. Jennifer doesn't need to see them. And I can eat them all. Thanks for getting rid of the candy. Oh yeah, sure, no problem. Mindy? What's that noise? What's going on? Just giving the teddy some hugs. It is really cute. That was close. Ugh. Okay, class, pay attention. We're doing a test today. No talking or cheating. I'll be watching. You can begin. Oh, it'll be okay. I'll just get a pen. Oh no! I can't open my pencil case! Come on, open! This isn't good! Maybe Jennifer can help. Psst. What? Do you have a spare pen? Please? No! I'm using it! Whoa! Okay. Mindy! What did I say? Sorry, miss. What am I gonna do? I was young and full of dreams, and then I got an F. Now look at me. Another busy day spending money. Oh, look at this poor person. Can you spare some change, please? Okay. Let me see. I hope this helps. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're a kind soul. Nope. I can't let that happen! There's no way I'm getting an F! Hang on. Maybe I can use this paperclip. I'll lay the paperclip on the table. Now I need my glue gun. I'll fill the paperclip with glue. I'm using glitter glue because it looks cute. I'll just fill this section. Now I'll let it set. I'll loop the end of the paperclip through my zipper. Yeah! It opens! Phew! What a relief! Sometimes in life, we're faced with the type of problems that may seem small, but are really annoying. But don't get mad. Just use these awesome hacks. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.